Well, here we are again. We're sitting here at the flea market. We got our books over there. We got our $1 stuff. We had some bikes we've already sold. We're moving stuff around while I'm sitting here waiting to go home. I am going through this media, and at this point, we've already sold 4 items on eBay that pretty much almost, if you're not counting the fees and the shipping, almost paid for all this. And then we still have more at home. So what I've done is we got junk. We got old newspapers that were personal to the individual. That's all sporting. He collected a lot of sporting stuff. There's some magazines over there. That's a 2009 MJ People magazine. This stuff I pulled out thinking that it's got some kind of interest to it. And there's a bunch of maps and cookbooks and menus and things like that. We're getting there. This is the best time to do it. That whole thing right there has got nothing but Japanese stuff in it, so that's gonna be an interesting little peekaboo. And we got some more stuff to lot up with the ski lot that we have at home for Mammoth. Got some really cool add-ons. We're gonna add that in there. And then there's a map, the mountain itself and its trails. So I'm looking forward to that. And looking forward to that. There's a lot of cool stuff in that one. Well, let me show you what we got so far that we pulled aside. Got some posters of local San Diego. Got a 1979 matchbook, which is kind of cool. Some old photos, some sports stickers and tops, little flyer things. We got an old manuscript, which is pretty cool. I don't want to just throw that in there. Nice little old, little readable there. Some advertisement, an old photo with a car with the antenna on the top of the house there, which I thought was kind of cool. We got an old book.
How much are these?
Those are $5, sir. We got yeah. This was 2 days after. That was the day after. That was 2 weeks after. I think what I'm going to do with these is hang on to them. Here's the Union Tribune one. It was the day after. It's a couple days, almost a week after. Little Hot Wheel advertisement. This is pretty cool. Little pamphlet. I'm gonna keep that. This is gonna go to the Whaley House manual that I have at home already. We got some Minnesota Viking stickers. Woo. We got the manual for the receiver we got. That I bought on a separate transaction at the estate sale. We got a little ornament of that black lab, and then we got this little guy here. I think the lid is here somewhere. Yeah, we got to be careful. It's broken, but I think it goes to that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll put that on eBay. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. You know? It's a lot of work. Some pogs. Cooking magazines. Nothing special in here. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Got it. Now we got 3 of these. Well, anyway, I gotta get going. I got stuff going on behind me. So thanks for coming in, guys. Appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.